Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python dictionary collection with hasKey method and keys method. So first of all, what is this dictionary collection in Python programming? So in Python dictionary, dict is a data type. So coming to some technical point, dictionary is a collection of elements which are represented as key value pairs in curly braces. For example, dict1. So here curly braces, key value pairs, roll number 1001, comma, name, psi, age 21. So in dictionary, all keys are unique. It does not accept duplicate keys. If we try to put a duplicate key, it will replace the existing key and its corresponding value. And dictionary values can be duplicated. So we can have duplicate values. Dictionary does not provide indexes to its collection, and dictionary is a mutable data structure. So mutable data structures means modifications are possible once it is created. Addition, deletion, updations are okay. So dictionary key value pairs, they are given in curly brackets and separated with commas, and each individual key and value, they are separated with colon. For example, dict2 open curly brace 1001 key colon psi value 1002 colon ram 1003 colon ali. So now coming to hasKey method. So hasKey method returns true if the dictionary contains the specified key, otherwise false. Okay, for example, dict1.hasKey 1001. So this method was used only before Python 2.3, and it is not available in Python 2.4 from Python 2.3. So as an alternative to this, we can use in operator to check for a presence of particular key in a dictionary. It's very simple here. 1001 in dict1, it will return true or false. So now coming to the keys method. So keys method, it will return all the keys of a dictionary as a list. So dict1 dot keys. Okay, so otherwise if it is an empty dictionary, it will return none type. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python dict example 11. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking a dictionary dict1. So roll number 1001 psi 1002 ram 1003 ali. So let us try to use this. Okay, right. So print dict1 dot hasKey 1001. Save this program in your working directory and run it. So py python dict example 11.py. So dictionary does not have hasKey attribute. Okay, so let us put comment for this. It is outdated or deprecated. So we'll use these three. So 1002 in dict1 true, 1003 in dict1 true, 1004 in dict1 false. True, true, false. 1004 is not available as a key in dict1. So next, again we'll take a dictionary, same as the previous one, 1001 psi 1002 ram 1003 ali. So print dict1, print dict1 dot keys. So it will return all the keys as a list. So we can process these keys using a loop. Okay, So for x in dict1 dot keys, so one key from the dictionary will be assigned to x. Print x 1001, 1002, 1003. So let us take here empty print. Save the program and then run it. So this is dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Dict1 dot keys, we got it as dict keys, list of keys 1001, 2, 3, and processing this keys using a loop 1001, 2, 3 for x in dict keys. So this is how we are supposed to work with dictionary collection with has key, which is deprecated method, and then keys. So instead of has key, we have to use in operator. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.